Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Sunday morning front porch story and coffee time. And it's a really cold morning here, 2 degrees. The wind chill is colder, but I don't know what it is. I won't tell you because then I'll feel colder, which is why I'm all bundled up. And also look over my shoulder here, who showed up, thanks to Mike Marchand, which Bernie's a good friend, so I'm happy to see him back. He heard there was something going on this morning and came back. So today, my cup is a sweet little cup, and it says Mom, and it says caring and sharing a love that lasts forever. And so, amen to that. So today's little story is about a misbehaved parrot. So a young man named John received a parrot as a gift, and the parrot had a very bad attitude and an even worse vocabulary. Every word out of the bird's mouth was rude, obnoxious, and laced with profanity. Don't worry, I'm not going to use it. John tried and tried to change the bird's attitude by consistently saying only polite words, playing soft music, and anything else he could think of to clean up the bird's vocabulary. Finally, John was fed up and he yelled at the parrot. The parrot yelled back. John shook the parrot, and the parrot got angrier and even more rude. John, in desperation, threw up his hands, grabbed the bird, and put him in the freezer. For a few minutes, the parrot squawked and kicked and screamed. Then suddenly there was total quiet. Not a peep was heard over a minute. Fearing that he'd hurt the parrot, John quickly opened the door to the freezer. The parrot calmly stepped out onto John's arm and said, "I believe I may have offended you with my rude language and actions. I'm sincerely remorseful for my inappropriate transgressions, and I fully intend to do everything I can to correct my rude and unforgivable behavior." John was stunned at the change in the bird's attitude. As he was about to ask the parrot what had made such a dramatic change in his behavior, the bird spoke up very softly and said, "May I ask what the turkey did?" All right, that's it. That's it, everybody. So, well, back to the cup, caring and sharing a love that lasts forever. And a little bit with this, a lot of the reading, especially the first reading with Jonah today, they're complaining about everything and they're not living their life, perhaps an admirable one. Yet the constant message is that we are to return to God's embracing arms. That's it. It's pretty clear. In the gospel, God begins to call his disciples, and he's calling the fishermen at the moment. So all you fishermen out there, keep your ears open. And it's all about returning to God's embracing arms of love. So if you're feeling a little whatever, maybe not up to par, if nobody is around to hug you, wrap your arms around yourself, hug, close your eyes, and be embraced by God's everlasting arms of love. All right, have a good one. Take care.